SEYI Machinery, the leading brand in press manufacturing and services. SEYI Machinery started from Taiwan, laid out cross straits, and built a production base in the Greater China area. Manufacturer of the world's leading metal forming press equipment. With more than 800 working partners, forming a close service network with distributors everywhere to jointly create a niche for customers around the world. Through the advantages of commitment to R&D, design, and professional technologies, SEYI is focused on metal forming as its professional core and actively develops peripheral equipment in automation planning to provide customers with the most complete metal forming solutions. We also actively develop Servo Series products that combine green energy and intelligence. We integrate production manufacturing communication, control, Internet of Things, and timely computing feedback to assist customers in mastering the development trends of Industry 4.0 and realize all the possibilities of smart manufacturing.
It's a pleasure to join the Metaltech 2022 SEYI Smart Stamping Solution. SEYI, a leading brand mechanical press from Taiwan, started since 1962. Design and manufacture C-type, gap frame, semi-straight side, straight side, single, double crank, and eccentric type of presses. Moreover, in continuing innovation and develop with advanced technology, the Servo Press Smart Stamping Solution provider. Monitoring system in metal forming industry. Machine status to detect the functionality during operation. Stamping process to detect the undetected optimal operations ratings. Quality check to identify the defective parts root cause. SEYI Smart Solution Provider, Production Line Management, Tracking Operation, Production Data, Working Application, Die Protections. In tracking operations is to manage the operational system of the machine itself. Production data to collect the data of the machine running during operation. Working application to identify the tooling is suitable to the machines itself or there is any issue. Die protections to extend the lifespan of the die protections that are being mounted with a lot of different kinds of sensor in sensing the working application. Press machine condition, such as the motor operation, either it is working smoothly or there are any issue of noise, disturbances. Lubrication system, either the machine is working in good conditions with good lubrications or there is any blockade of the oil system which will hinder the machines to run in good operation. Power consumption. The power of the machine itself is working in appropriate and good conditions, slight temperature, which is also relevant to identify either there is any issue in increasing of the thermal temperature of the slide during operation. Data collections. There are tonnage load index to identify each column of the machines either distributing the appropriate load working applications. And error data also to identify if there is any error that has happened on the machine itself during operational system. Innovation. SEYI Smart Press is a PC-based controller that integrates various types of peripheral equipments and get connected through the IoT. In these situations, it is a very flexible applications to integrate the coil feeder or the die car or even the metal forming uh, applications to work more flexible in producing the parts that will be using for automation system. Features of the servo press: production status, applicable for immediate identifications of the actual production parts that are required during the production volume on each stamping line. Automated production line: it is a user-friendly to integrate and synchronize the stamping line with various types of peripheral automation devices. Reduced downtime: easy access with multiple sensors being mounted, monitoring the machine condition on the actual operation status informations provider to identify the existing issue via SMS or email to troubleshoot and rectify by remote control system. Data collection reports: the system generates multiple reports such as the OEE, the overall equipment effectivity, and yield rate for comparison analysis between the actual production's volume against the target production's expectation. Interface functional application: it could be applicable to be integrated with different multiple numbers of presses. And there are also for you to identify if the machine is running in the normal conditions or any issues or any idle issues by illuminations of the lights for further identification. Downtime report: it's also monitoring the production line about any issue for the idle stage, such as coil feeder issue or any insufficient coil material issue, or even a manpower issue during operation. Production overview started from the very beginning of using the machines on the operational system by identifying the tooling and applications of the machines, either it is workable or suitable in this system. Then we go with the remote backup support, which is a customer line service for you to give any feedback about the issue of the machine during the operation. Error statistic report is also to identify about the error happens during the stamping operation. And the same as the abnormality statistic report is also to identify the working time and the stamping time. Thank you very much for your kind attentions.